Listen to that adorable sound. Little Bunny has the hiccups. Hic, hic, hic. They just won't stop. Teddy Bear hears his friend and rushes over to help. First, he covers Bunny's tiny nose with his soft paws. Hold your breath, little friend, but the hiccups keep coming. Hic, hic, hic. Next, Teddy grabs his colorful toy horn. Maybe a surprise will work. Toot, toot. But still, hic, hic, hic. Time for tiny sips from his miniature water cup. Sip, sip, sip. The hiccups continue. Hic, hic, hic. Teddy tries his silliest dance, spinning upside down and wiggling his paws. Still hiccuping. Poor little Bunny. Then, Teddy has the perfect idea. He wraps his furry arms around his friend. A gentle, warm hug. And just like magic, the hiccups disappear. Sometimes the best medicine is simply showing you care.